This is a 1957 Sunbeam Mixmaster Model 12. I went completely through it, even changed the field coil. And I put a new grounded cord on it. It looks fantastic. That's all original paint. So let's see how it runs. That's the large bowl. And that's the small bowl. It also has a juicer with a reamer. I mean, with a strainer. I get the dang thing in there where it goes. And then, here's the reamer. There. Turn that on. Boy, this is a really nice looking mixer. Look at that paint. It's all original. And it looks great. I think it's the best looking mixer I've ever restored. When I first got it, it wouldn't even come on. It was just hummed. It was stuck. The motor was stuck, so I fixed that. And it wasn't easy. I put new oil and new grease in it and timed the beaters. And that's it.